In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Zoho Meeting. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to attach files from your computer so you can use them in your online meetings and webinars. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Meeting website. If you're not already signed in, log into your Zoho account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main Zoho Meeting dashboard, where you can see your upcoming meetings, recordings, and other options. From this main area, look for the section or tab related to files. Depending on your view, you might see options like My Files or Recordings, but what you want to find is the Files section. This is where Zoho Meeting keeps all the documents and materials you upload so you can quickly access them during your sessions. Next, click on Files. This will open a dedicated page or panel showing you any files you've already uploaded, organized in a list or grid. If this is your first time using it, the space might be empty, and that's completely fine. Think of this area as your personal library for meeting resources, such as slides, PDFs, and other reference materials you want to share. Now that you're in the Files section, look for a button labeled Upload. It's usually positioned near the top of the page, often on the right-hand side. Go ahead and click on Upload. This tells Zoho Meeting that you want to add a new file from your device into your file library. After clicking Upload, you'll see options for how to bring in your file. Here, select the option that says Attach from your computer. When you click this, your computer's file browser window will open. Navigate through your folders to find the document, presentation, or other file you want to use in Zoho Meeting. Once you've located it, click on the file, and then click Open or the equivalent button on your system. Zoho Meeting will then start uploading your file. Wait for the upload to complete, and once it's finished, you'll see the new file listed in